Second video. We got all the clutches out and a little spacer. The little spacer that sits like this. So then there's another one in there. I can't get it out, so I'm going to pull the whole thing out. So I'm pulling the nut out. Now. And got to pull the clutch basket out. I can't hold the camera at the same time. Let's see if we can get this out. There we go. We got it out. Watch out. Should be a spacer in there. Right there, that spacer sits in there. And that gets out. So, like that. Okay, this whole thing should just come out. Like that. I just leave that in there. The whole thing came out, so there's a spacer. This spacer goes behind it, like so. So, alright, so, and then the whole thing comes right out. Next video, next.